6 years ago, I brought you along with me when I went and did something that I've only dreamed about, and that is buying home fitness equipment. I was building a new house, and basically I had a spare bedroom in the basement that I wanted to turn into a workout room. And so we went shopping. Give you a little refresher of what we got. We got a great treadmill. It's a Landis. This thing is still kicking and amazing. A rack of dumbbells from 5 to 65. A dip and ab bench, all right? This bad boy is amazing. Also got this, and this was really kind of like the big deal for me, all right? It was like a home gym. It basically had something to do like squats, even though it was a Smith machine, whatever, shut up. It's got a bunch of stacks of weights. You can do pull-ups. You can do everything on this thing. And then during COVID, because I'm like, yo, I need to start doing like some deadlifts and stuff, I went and bought a bar along with some bumper plates and about 200 pounds of free weight. I also bought this little auxiliary bench, right? You can back it up, you can do bench press in the Smith machine thing, you can throw it up, you can do dumbbell flies. Like, it's been amazing. I have loved having this gym. But for those of you who've been following along, you know that I'm building a new house, my dream house. And because I'm building a dream house, I also want to build a dream gym. Let's go check it out. This is the new Alpha Gym, all right? Just to give you an example of how big this bad boy is, right? I can literally do wind sprints. Gentlemen, it's 900 square feet of unadulterated fitness awesomeness. My old gym, that room, 200 square feet. So literally, it's over 4 times as big, which is a problem. The problem is I need more shit, so let's go shopping. We're back at Fitnessdepot, the only place that this boy shops for fitness equipment. I'm gonna link to them down below. Bottom line is they ship worldwide, actually. Now, the reason why I love this place so much is A, they sell the best equipment. They've got a lot of different variety, but the other reason is it's sentimental. It was in 2001 that I was here for the first time buying the equipment for my gym that went out of business. And then 6 years ago, I came back to actually buy some for myself. And now 6 years later, I'm back and I am going crazy. I've got a big space, I got a lot of equipment that I need, and I am so incredibly excited to pick out some stuff. It's literally like a toy store for you guys that are into fitness. There he is.
Hey, Aaron, what's going on, man?
Steve.
Nice to see you.
Remember me?
You look huge.
I look huge?
Yeah.
Gentlemen, this is Steve Carnes. I'm gonna link to him down below if you guys wanna go, send him an email or inquire about anything. I'm also gonna link down below to Fitnessdepot, all right? Steve was actually the salesman that sold Linda and I our fitness equipment for the gym back in 2001. You remember that?
2001. Guess what happened?
You know what happened? It was the day that the planes like hit the World Trade Center. What happened? Do you remember?
And I called you and you said,
do not.
Where's the equipment at? I said, we cannot deliver the equipment because the towers have been struck at
the World Trade. So that was the deal.
Yeah.
It was literally the day that, of 9/11 that he was supposed to deliver the fitness equipment to our gym. That should have been an omen as to how that business was gonna unfold. All right, so now down to business. I'm shopping for me. All right, so the whole idea and premise behind this gym is that it's my dream gym. All of the equipment that I love when I go to a gym, I wanna have at my home. Because even though I like going to the gym because I do belong to a Crunch Fitness, it's still I don't know, I don't love it that much. And I just want to be able to go downstairs and have an incredible workout. Now, the truth is my home gym now that I have is great, and it basically serves the purpose. The problem is that there's not enough room to actually, have some of the equipment that I really truly need, all right? And so one of the things that I have needed and longed for and desired and wanted to basically buy as soon as I could is this, right? It's basically a power rack. So I tested out a bunch of different racks, right? And the one that I really just absolutely loved was this. It's by Extreme Fitness. The quality is professional, right? It also has plate holders on the side, which I love. It's got adjustable clips, right? You just, actually, I'm not gonna do that right now, but you can adjust basically the clips, so you can do squats, you can adjust them to any height, you can also do bench press, and then it's got these little safety bars that you basically have that you can set that are super high quality. That bad boy is amazing, and the price is awesome. The other thing I love about this one, check it out, you've got pull-ups, right? I love it. You've got a few different hand positions on this one, boom, right? Nice and sturdy, but then on the inside, you also have some more. Pull-ups are one of my favorite upper body exercises. Now we can do them in style. Right here, gentlemen, this is my next piece, all right? So this piece of equipment is super badass, all right? So one of the problems with working out at home is you don't have the ability to a lot of times do like leg extensions or like hamstring curls. Now, sure, you can work around it, but that was really something that I missed in terms of my training at home. And so this equipment, or this piece right here, is a leg extension slash hamstring curl. All right, so the reason why I love this so much is that A, the build quality is amazing. Hoist, if you guys have been in like a Crunch Fitness or any of these fitness centers, a lot of the equipment you're seeing now is hoist, and I fell in love with it, all right? This piece of equipment, though, is amazing for kind of doing two things. It does extensions, but then you can also change it like super quick and do hamstring curls, all right? Whether it works, boom, of course, right? Get in there, boom, nice and smooth. And that's really the thing that you notice when you actually use a high quality piece of fitness equipment is the smoothness, right? You don't get a lot of like rattling and shaking, so you do that, boom, and then if you want to, hamstring curls, throw it up, boom, lock it in, and you're right into hamstring curls. This is an awesome piece of equipment, and I think I'll take it. All right, another piece of leg equipment that I've missed working out at home is a leg press. I love a leg press. The reason is because you've got a lot of different feet positions, and it really just works the muscles a little bit differently. A lot of the leg presses that you're gonna find at Fitnessdepot or pretty much any place that sells like high quality equipment, a lot of times will do like both. It'll do leg press, but it'll also convert into a hack squat, all right? For me, I just wanted like an old school, like super high quality leg press. And so I actually ordered the Hoist leg press. That's a commercial grade product that's a little more expensive, but for me, for my dream gym, I want a dream leg press. A rack of fixed tag barbells, all right? So this is kind of like one of those things that like I just am really excited about. A rack of fixed barbells, honestly, is something I'm super excited about because even though like, you know, it's just a little bit extra, no big deal, right? Because instead of having to mess around with like changing weights or like doing whatever and collars, I can just come over to my rack, boom, grab a set of 50s, boom, drop it, 40s, boom, 30s, 20s. So here's the deal. I'm going from 20 to 110. One thing I've wanted it so bad because I love this piece of equipment so much, but there's a problem with it, right? The Stairmaster. The problem with the Stairmaster is the height. So here we go, right? 8, 9, Steve, I can do it. I can do it, seriously. Seriously, 10 foot is right here.
You think you can do it?
That's 10 feet right there. 10 feet, gentlemen.
We might switch this.
Gentlemen, hold the phone. Your boy's getting the bad boy, the big one. I can fit that. Gentlemen, this is amazing. All right, gentlemen, I think for now that's gonna be it. I need to get everything in there. I need to situate it. We're about 3 months away from finishing the house. And so the next time you see all this equipment, you're actually gonna be getting the whole tour of the new home gym, the dream gym at the Alpha Crib. Gentlemen, that's where I'm gonna wrap things up. Guys, I'm gonna link down below to Fitness Depot. If you haven't been here and you're in the Atlanta area, come in and take a tour. You can try out all the equipment. It's literally like being a kid in a candy store if you're into fitness. Now, if you're not in the Atlanta area and you still want to check it out, no problem. They ship worldwide, literally. I'm going to have that link down below. Also, I'm going to have an email to my boy Steve.
Thank you so much.
We go back literally like 25 years.
25 years.
It's crazy. How old do you think he is? How old do you think? Steve, how old are you?
74.
74 years old? Are you kidding me? If this isn't a testament to clean living and fitness, I don't know what is. Thanks, brother.
Thanks, brother.
See you soon.
See ya.
Gentlemen, see you next time.